let's talk about the Ubiquitous Creator Network and why it should be a game changer for brands trying to cut through the noise. Influencer marketing is like the Wild West right now. There are a million creators out there, but finding the right one for your brand, that's where things get tricky. And that's where we come in. Number one, curated creator lists based on real metrics. First off, we don't just throw a bunch of random influencers at you. We curate our creator lists based on actual data. We're looking at the metrics that matter: engagement, audience demographics, content style, to ensure you're only working with people who can move the needle for your brand. No fluff, just facts. Number two, expertise that narrows down the perfect fit. Not every creator is going to make sense for your product. You don't want a fitness influencer pushing your beauty brand, right? We do the heavy lifting, finding creators whose audience aligns with your goals, creators who get results, not just likes. Number three, collaborating with agency partners for extra reach. So if you've got a massive campaign that needs some extra firepower, we can pull in even more talent. You're not limited to just one pool of influencers. We can scale up to meet your needs. Bottom line, we help brands cut through the influencer chaos by delivering curated lists, data-driven decisions, and the flexibility to bring in the right creators when it matters most. It's influencer marketing without the guesswork.